Hey guys, my name is Jack Tor and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello and welcome back to another video here in Singapore. Today we are trying out the very famous Singapore chili crab. It is number 35 out of 50 top dishes in the world. So I've just came into the Hawker Centre here, and when I was on the metro I ran into a really familiar face when I was in my last hostel. My friend here saw him.
Hey guys, what's up?
So I was thinking, oh, you know, it's so annoying. I'm coming here by myself to try this chili crab. It'd be great if someone could come with me. And I said to Solomon, I said, what are you doing? And he said, nothing.
It's a small world.
Small world. So we're gonna go and find the chili crab and dig in. I just went up to a store owner. I said, do you know where I can find chili crab? And this lovely man is taking me here right now. So a massive thank you to this restaurant at Maxwell Hawker Centre. The staff was so friendly, and what they did next, I could not believe. They let me go in the kitchen and film the chili crab being made. So the common ingredients that can be found in this chili crab are chili pepper, a tomato-based sauce, egg, garlic, salt, chili paste, onion, ginger, coriander, ketchup, and spring onion. And of course, your crab. Very good. Wow. Very messy with all this chili sauce, cracking open the meat and pulling it out. So, I'm so excited. This is going to be so cool. We dip it in.
Yeah.
So we're about to dig in and try the famous chili crab. So what I'm first going to, these are hot. So what I'm first going to do is get one of these buns. I believe that they're called, they start with M, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what this is called. What we're going to do is just dip it into the chili crab sauce. You can see all this meat in there. Ooh, it is really hot. Oh wow. So that chili paste and sauce and gravy is so beautiful. You can taste the crab meat, the chili bits, the tomato. I think there's garlic in there as well. Really, really nice. Just gonna get a spoon, taste some of this gravy. Really, really nice. Alright, so now time to try the crab. So essentially what you do, just pick up a claw, pull it out. You want to try and find this meat here. Let's give this one a try. Oh yeah.
Sauce?
Yeah.
Together.
Dip the sauce.
Yeah, sauce is
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sauce put inside. Yes.
Okay. So I've just been told how to do it properly. So you got to suck the sauce out. Oh yeah.
No.
That is some good chili crab. Only $48. 48 Singaporean dollars for all of this. So nice. All of this in here is meat, and then get one of these. You want to scoop that over your meat. In. Good, right?
I just learned how to eat the crab.
Awesome.
It's my first time.
That's good, that's good. This is probably my second time or third time trying crab. Okay. Yeah, so it's going to be really hard. So you want to try and see if you can crack the joints somehow. You can, yeah. It's nice. Wow. Okay, so I just got so carried away there with the crab itself that I forgot that we had white rice to go with it. So I'm just going to get some of this beautiful gravy of chili, crab, tomato, and other herbs and spices. Mix it in here with the rice. Oh, that's good. That's really, really nice. What do you reckon? Good?
Absolutely
Yeah.
loving it.
Yeah. So nice. This is like the sauce is what does it. 100%. Wow. Look at that. Alright. Wow. This crab right here, all that's left is just a little bit of sauce. Oh my gosh. Was it worth it? What do you reckon?
Definitely worth. Do come out, check out the crab meat.
Yep.
It's lovely.
Yeah, so nice, so good. I'll leave a link to this place in the description so you can come here, check it out for yourself. I believe it's one of the cheapest places to get chili crab in all of Singapore. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you love watching it. And as always, keep it real. Cheers.